Let's face it, these are turbulent times globally. Global uncertainties are reshaping trade flows. Capital is becoming a lot more selective. Supply chains are getting reconfigured, and trade uncertainties are keeping markets on the edge. Amidst all these uncertainties, India offers a rare opportunity. A stable political environment, a diversified economy, a rising consumption base, and a strong domestic demand. And therefore, budget of 2026-27 presents a lot of promise. A promise for India to set out a bold vision and a blueprint for growth. A growth which is inclusive and innovation-led. And therefore, what are the 4 expectations that India Inc. has from this budget? First, a stronger push on manufacturing. Manufacturing that does not only rise the supply chain shifts, but also reduces India's dependencies on services-led exports and therefore provides a more stable, balanced and a shock-resistant economy. Second, double up our investments in R&D and a tech-first approach with AI at the epicenter. This will help Indian firms move up the value chain and also cement India's position as a global GCC hub. Third, clear policy signals to revive FDI momentum. This will unlock long-term capital, technology, global partnerships, and strengthen ease of doing business. And finally, tax certainty and reducing litigation. Now, government has taken certain steps over the years in terms of faceless assessments and appeals and decriminalization provisions, but more needs to be done here in terms of clearing the clogging of the pending disputes and addressing disputes, especially at the first level appeal. All in all, this budget presents an opportunity for the government to set out a clear and a positive signal for the investors that India is reform-oriented, predictable, and ready to be the 3rd largest economy by the turn of this decade.